What's up, guys? So today we're gonna change the intake on this. We got a brand new Roush intake in the box, so let's go get started. We're gonna go take off this Phillips screw. And there's a 13 right there. Just get those hoses out of the way. Alright, so that's out. This one should just pull back up. Let me just set this down. It's not as easy. See this thing, you gotta pull it from back here and then push it in. It just pops right out. Alright, so take these two front clips off. It's those two there. Pull them up. And we're gonna reuse this part. So just take the screw off. Alright, so that's once that in, go ahead and put it back. There's those two holes there. Push it down. Go ahead and reinstall your pins if you want, your clips, before you forget. So this is gonna stay factory. It's gonna go back in there. Okay, so once you have all this inside there, there's these two screws. It's gonna go down there. It's gonna be a 10. Let's go ahead and throw them on. Alright guys, so next we can do is install this and the tube right there. So I'm gonna pop it over here. Alright guys, so once you guys finish checking everything, if it's tight enough, let's go ahead and put the lid back on. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 screws. Alright, there it is. See? Doesn't look too bad. Should keep the heat out with the chill. Let me go ahead and start it. Let me see where I put it. Let's just sit it right there. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Alright then, well, it seems like this intake is pretty quiet. Sounds almost stock. But let's see once I start driving in the road. Alright, see you guys later.